formation of haploid megaspore from the diploid megaspore mother cell is known as megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis occur inside the nucellus of ovule. This is the nucellus, diploid mass of tissue enclosed by integument inside the ovule. Integuments and nucellus. So nucellus is regarded as megasporangium. Nucellus is regarded as megasporangium. Megasporangium. The nucellus in which the one of the cell towards the micropylar end becomes large. This large differentiated cell in the nucellus is known as megaspore mother cell. This is the megaspore mother cell. And it is diploid. This diploid, well differentiated larger cell in the nucellus towards the micropylar end is known as megaspore mother cell. This megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis and form 4 haploid cells. This megaspore mother cell is diploid cell which undergo meiosis and produced 4 haploid cells in a linear tetrad. It is known as linear tetrad. This linear tetrad possesses 4 haploid cells formed by meiosis of megaspore mother cell. After formation of linear tetrad, upper 3 cells of the linear tetrad degenerate. Upper 3 cells of the linear tetrad degenerates, and these degenerated haploid cell remain as it is, and lowermost haploid cell becomes functional, and this lowermost cell known as functional megaspore. It is functional megaspore. Megaspore, and it is haploid. So, formation of functional haploid megaspore inside the nucellus from the megaspore mother cell by meiosis is called megasporogenesis. Up to this process known as megasporogenesis. The phenomenon in which megaspores are produced inside the nucellus of ovules. From the megaspore mother cell by meiosis is known as megasporogenesis. Question may ask for 2 marks. What is megasporogenesis? Where it occurs? How it occurs? The definition of megasporogenesis is formation of haploid functional megaspore from the diploid megaspore mother cell by meiosis is known as megasporogenesis. Remember, formation of haploid megaspore from the diploid megaspore mother cell by meiosis is called megasporogenesis. This is definition of the megasporogenesis. Where the megasporogenesis takes place? Megasporogenesis occurs in the nucellus of the ovule towards the micropylar end of nucellus. Where the megasporogenesis takes place? Megasporogenesis occurs inside the nucellus towards the micropylar end. How the megasporogenesis takes place? Megasporogenesis occurs by special type of cell division known as meiosis. By meiosis, megasporogenesis occurs. And what happened in the megasporogenesis? Diploid megaspore mother cell divides to form haploid cells in a linear tetrad. Upper haploid cells undergo degeneration. Why? These upper cells are degenerated because these are less potential, and lowermost cell is potential to consume the food material from the upper cells. So upper cell degenerates. These are less potential, upper cells are less potential to consume the food material from the nucellus and from the other cells. But lowermost haploid cell of the linear tetrad is potential to absorb the food material and becomes large and remain as it is functional. And upper cells consume less food material. Lowermost cell consume the food material from the upper cells. Upper cell degenerates. So these are degenerated cells or degenerating cells. These are degenerating cells. Degenerating. Degenerating cells. Upper 3 cells are degenerating cells. Why? The upper cells undergo degeneration because lowermost cell consume the food material, absorb the food material from the upper cells. So it becomes non-functional and becomes degenerated. This is about the megasporogenesis. May I ask the question on the different form, 1 marks or 2 marks? Question may ask, what is megasporogenesis? Where megasporogenesis occurs? How the megasporogenesis takes place? In the nucellus of the ovule. Then after megasporogenesis, functional megaspore. Haploid functional megaspore undergo nuclear mitosis. Here, listen carefully how the further process of development of female gametophyte occur from the functional megaspore. Megaspore is seed of female gametophyte. Megaspore is seed of female gametophyte. From the haploid functional megaspore, female gametophyte is developed after germination in the nucellus. That female gametophyte is also known as embryo sac. The functional megaspore undergo 3 free nuclear mitosis. The nucleus of the functional megaspore undergo 3 free nuclear mitosis and form embryo sac inside the nucellus. How the female gametophyte is developed from the functional megaspore, we have to study. During formation of female gametophyte from the functional megaspore, first nuclear mitosis occur. First nuclear mitosis. Nuclear mitosis. Free nuclear mitosis. Nuclear mitosis. It means only nucleus divides first and form two nucleated cells. Here two nuclei form and these nuclei are haploid because cell division is mitosis or nuclear division is mitosis. It means chromosome number remain constant. Haploid nuclei, 2 haploid nuclei, and later on what happened? Second nuclear mitosis occur. Second nuclear mitosis occur and form 4 nuclei. 4 nuclei inside the single cell, and these 4 nuclei are haploid. After formation of or after second nuclear mitosis. Here nuclear mitosis. Second nuclear mitosis. And later on third nuclear mitosis occur. Third nuclear mitosis. As occur, the cell possess 8 nuclei, 4 nuclei towards each pole of the cell. These are the 4 nuclei, and these 4 nuclei towards each pole of the cell are haploid cells. Sorry, haploid nuclei. These are the haploid nuclei. So this is the haploid structure. This is also a haploid structure. This is also a haploid structure. This functional megaspore also haploid because chromosome number constant in each and every nucleus due to mitosis. And after 3 free nuclear mitosis, 8 nucleated cell is formed, and these nuclei rearranged, and where what happened? One of the nucleus from each pole migrate in the center. One of the nucleus from each pole migrate in the center, and for special arrangement of the nuclei inside the cell. Special arrangement inside the cell. 3 nuclei, one of the nucleus from each pole migrate in the center, and 3 nuclei towards each pole remain as it is. These are the 3 nuclei towards each pole of the cell. Such type of 8 nucleated structure is developed and nuclei rearranged. After rearrangement of the nuclei, they surround cytoplasm and form cells towards the chalazal end of the nucellus. 3 cells towards the chalazal end of the nucellus are called antipodals. Antipodals. These are the antipodals of the embryo sac of female gametophyte, and 3 nuclei present towards the micropylar end. One of the cell becomes large in the center by surrounding the cytoplasm, and lateral nuclei surrounds cytoplasm to form synergids. So these are the synergids. Synergid. And this central larger cell is called egg. Synergids and egg togetherly known as egg apparatus. Egg apparatus. Egg apparatus, antipodals, and in the center polar nucleus surrounds cytoplasm or secondary nucleus. These are the secondary nuclei. Secondary nucleus or nuclei of the embryo sac. So such type of 7-celled, 8 nucleated, 3 cells towards the micropylar end, egg apparatus, and antipodals, 3 cells, and one of the cell with 2 nuclei, polar nuclei, form 7-celled, 8 nucleated structure inside the nucellus of the ovule is known as embryo sac. This structure is known as embryo sac. Embryo sac. This is also known as female gametophyte. Female gametophyte. So, in the nucellus, haploid 7-celled 8 nucleated structure is formed known as female gametophyte or embryo sac. Question may ask on this development of the female gametophyte in the angiosperm. Development of female gametophyte occur inside the nucellus from the functional megaspore where it is produced. So, functional megaspore produced inside the nucellus and germination of the functional megaspore occur inside the nucellus only. Hence, such type of development of female gametophyte is known as in situ development of the female gametophyte. Female gametophyte development is in situ. Why it is in situ? Because functional megaspore produced inside new cellus, and development of or germination of the functional megaspore takes place in the same place where it is produced. So such type of development of female gametophyte is known as in situ development of female gametophyte. In situ development of female gametophyte. Female gametophyte in angiosperm. In situ development of female gametophyte in angiosperm. So, development of female gametophyte on this subunit. Question may ask for 4 marks, or long question may ask what is megasporogenesis and development of female gametophyte in angiosperm. प्रत्येकाने लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइट म्हणजे काय आहे आणि फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइटची डेव्हलपमेंट कुठं होते, कशा पद्धतीने होतं हे आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे. कारण याच्यावरती मोठा क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो, लॉंग क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. पहिल्यांदा डेफिनेशन लक्षात ठेवायचं, मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस म्हणजे काय आहे. त्याच्यानंतर डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइट कशापासून होतं. डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइट हे कशापासून होतं, फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर पासून. पण त्याच्या अगोदर तुम्हाला काय सांगावं लागेल, मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिस. डेफिनेशन तर सांगता येतं तुम्हाला. डेफिनेशन काय आहे मेगास्पोरोजेनेसिसची, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हॅप्लॉइड फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर from the diploid megaspore mother cell by meiosis is known as megasporogenesis. हे बघा डेफिनेशन सहज सांगताय, फिगर काढायची इथपर्यंत. एवढ्याच भागावरती तुम्हाला 1 मार्कासाठी, 2 मार्कासाठी, 3 मार्कासाठी प्रश्न होऊ शकतो, पण वेगवेगळ्या अँगलनी प्रश्न विचारला जातो. फक्त डेफिनेशन सांगा आणि फिगर काढा म्हटलं तर 2 मार्कासाठी प्रश्न विचारला जातो. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला पूर्ण 4 मार्कासाठी जर प्रश्न विचारला गेला तर त्या ठिकाणी पुढची प्रोसेस सांगायची आहे, डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइट फ्रॉम द फंक्शनल मेगास्पोर बाय फॉलोइंग 3 फ्री न्यूक्लियर मायटोसिस टू फॉर्म 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड स्ट्रक्चर. आता या ठिकाणी बघा, पहिला मायटोसिस झालं, 2 न्यूक्लिया तयार झाल्या, 2 केंद्रक तयार झाले. याच्यामध्ये 2 केंद्रक तयार झाले. त्याच्यानंतर दुसरं न्यूक्लियर डिव्हिजन झालं. न्यूक्लियर डिव्हिजन झालं, इथं 4 केंद्रक तयार झाले. 4 केंद्रक तयार झाले दुसऱ्या न्यूक्लियर डिव्हिजनवर. पण हे कसं डिव्हिजन आहे, मायटोसिस म्हणजे इक्वेशनल डिव्हिजन. क्रोमोझोम नंबर रिमेन कॉन्स्टंट. त्याच्यानंतर तिसरं झालेलं आहे, याच्यापासून 2 न्यूक्लियापासून 4 तयार झाल्या, या 2 न्यूक्लियापासून 4 तयार झाल्या, म्हणजे इकडे 4 आणि इकडे 4, म्हणजे पोल म्हणतो आपण, टोक, पेशीचं टोक. या पेशीच्या टोकाकडे 4 आहेत आणि या पेशीच्या टोकाकडे 4 आहेत. म्हणून या ठिकाणी काय आहे, 4 न्यूक्लिया, 4 न्यूक्लिया टुवर्ड्स ईच पोल असं म्हणतो आपण याला. या प्रत्येक पोल पासून एक न्यूक्लियस इथं सेंटरमध्ये मायग्रेट झालेला आहे. म्हणजे याची मुवमेंट कशी होते, इथल्या एक न्यूक्लियस इथे येतं, इथला एक न्यूक्लियस इथे येतो आणि या ठिकाणी 2 न्यूक्लिया एकत्र येतात. आणि 2 न्यूक्लिया जेव्हा इथे एकत्र येतात त्यावेळेस काय होतं, सायटोप्लाझम त्याच्या भोवताली सराउंड होतो आणि सेल मेम्ब्रेन तयार होतो आणि इथं 2 न्यूक्लिया असणारी एक सेल तयार होते. त्याला सेकंडरी न्यूक्लियस सेल म्हणतो आपण. त्याच्यामध्ये 2 पोलार न्यूक्लिया असतात. पोलार म्हणजे टोकाकडच्या न्यूक्लिया इथं आलेल्या आहेत आणि त्याच्यानंतर 3 न्यूक्लिया या टोकाकडे आहेत की म्हणजे चलाजल एंडकडे. हा चलाजा आहे, या चलाजल एंडकडे 3 न्यूक्लिया आहेत. याला सराउंड होतं सायटोप्लाझम आणि 3 न्यूक्लियापासून 3 सेल तयार होतील. त्याला म्हटलं जातं अँटीपोडस. आणि त्याच्यानंतर ती न्यूक्लिया मायक्रोपायलर एंडकडे म्हणजे या साईडला, आणि म्हणून याला म्हटलं जातं, या 3 सेलला म्हटलं जातं एग अपॅरेटस. त्याच्यामधली एक सेल आहे एग आणि बाजूच्या 2 सेल आहेत सिनर्जिड्स. म्हणजेच कसं झालेलं आहे या ठिकाणी 7 पेशी आणि 8 न्यूक्लिया, 7 पेशीमध्ये 8 केंद्रक तयार झालेले आहे. अशा प्रकारचे जे स्ट्रक्चर हॅप्लॉइड स्ट्रक्चर आहे 7 सेल 8 न्यूक्लिएटेड स्ट्रक्चर, त्याला आपण एम्ब्रियो सॅक असं म्हणतो. आणि त्याचे डेव्हलपमेंट कुठे झालेलं आहे? न्यूशेलस मध्येच. मेगास्पोर कुठे झाला? न्यूशेलस मध्येच. म्हणून अशा प्रकारच्या डेव्हलपमेंटला काय म्हणतो आपण? इन सिटू डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ फिमेल गॅमेटोफाइट. such type of development occur in angiosperm of the female gametophyte. सर्वांना लक्षात आलं? तर अशा पद्धतीनं आपण तयारी करायच्या बोर्डाच्या परीक्षेची आणि नीटची तयारी कशा पद्धतीने करायची आहे मी अगोदर तुम्हाला इंग्लिश मधलं पूर्ण सांगितलेलं आहे, त्याच्यानंतर मराठीमधून सांगितलेलं आहे. जर हा तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडलेला असेल, सबस्क्राईब करणे आणि लाईक करणे विसरू नका. थँक्यू.